How'd you like that, Bob?
Oh my God, that was fucking awesome! Woo!
All right, I'm gonna turn this off real quick while I take my helmet off.
Woo!
Helmet cam. Here we go. Helmet TV.
On?
It is on. So that was the $1 Million Highway. The footage I just shot. That's Bob right there. Bob just wrote it.
It was worth $1 million.
I rode this last year. The weather was nicer, but fortunately, the road dried up.
Yeah, the road's dry
and it was nice riding. Not pressing it real hard. Wouldn't want to do that now. But look at this. Look at this. The waterfall actually comes out from underneath the freeway. I'm going to show you. Don't worry. Here we go. There's a little walkway here. I was here last year. Did a little video here. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Huh? Huh? Look at that shit. That's fucking amazing. Look at that. All right. This is where I'm going to retire to. No shit.
That's fucking unreal.
Yeah.